Assalamualaikum. My name is Badrul Hanif bin Sahlani. I propose thrift and vintage shop. Based on the site mapping, most of the activities carried out in Jalan Petaling and Jalan Sultan are business. So I propose retail at the SKL. Retail store that sell the gently used clothing and shoes. I am propose the thrift shop in SKL because want to reflect back the activities along Jalan Petaling and Pasar Karat at the Jalan Sultan. Next, this is my design concept. I choose shots from the Imagine Dragons. The three keywords that I found from the lyric is the circling, emptiness, and remorse. The design principle for the circling is the repetition, emphasis for the emptiness, and the movement for the remorse. This is my model concept. The site mapping at the Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur. This is the history of Chinatown from the time mining in 1857 until the revival of the Chinatown in 2003. Our group's cover of the 5 main street in Chinatown, which is Jalan Kasturi, Jalan Sultan, Jalan Petaling, Jalan Tun SS Lee, and Jalan Tun Tan Tien Lock. This is the site mapping inventory, the activities and the social media from the 5 road we study. Okay, this is the site mapping analysis. Based on the site mapping study, I am focused of the Jalan Sultan and the Jalan Petaling because they are the main attraction road at the Chinatown. The activities along the Jalan Petaling and Jalan Sultan mostly is business. So I propose retail space activities and the F&B activities. Next. This is our proposed building, which is the SKL at the Jalan Sultan, the history of the SKL, the site analysis, we study of the facilities and utilities, sensory, circulation, vegetation, and the zoning. The SWOT that we find from this analysis is the strength, preservation of cultural element through economic activities, dance, festival, custom, games, tradition, food, handicraft, and architecture. The weakness is noise pollution from surrounding vehicular traffic and existing parking is of poor quality and inadequate. The opportunity improve the balance between quality public space with pedestrian movement and vehicular movement on the site. Define new form to improve city legibility and the identity of site. The potential of the site is to be a culture center because of environment of the SKL full with interesting culture. Next, this is our building analysis, the exterior image of the SKL and the interior image. This is the location of the floor finishes and the electrical equipment. The section of the building, site model SKL, Arizona and 3D image. This is my case study. I choose a Bonru store because the Bonru store is the first largest pre-loved boutique in Malaysia. The young man behind Bonru store is Wafi Syari, is a very experienced person in the world of bundle and pre-love, and he wants people to get acquainted with this pre-love stuff. So they sell many types of clothing, men's and women's shirts, women's dress, sport clothes, jeans and jacket, handbags, shoes, and baby item. Okay, next, this is my design development, the organization chart, the SOA of the space, metric charts, bubble diagram, space zoning of this flats building space. Next, this is the ground floor plan. The pattern floor I take from the model concept itself. As we can see from the main entrance, we can see the sitting area and souvenir shop. At the center of the building, we have a thrift shop which has 5 main spaces. There is men's clothing, shoes display, vintage display, premium clothing, and women's clothing. Next, they have I put a second entrance for easy exit and enter to the building, and easy access to the cafe, Rex Cafe. This is my reflected shading plan. Next, at the section AA, I cut across the section through the two main areas, which is premium's clothing and the men's clothing. At the section BB, I cross the section through the dining area, women's clothing, premium's clothing, vintage display, hallway and the souvenir shop. Next, this is the men's clothing area and hallway. Men's clothing area is an outfit section for men. It is located at the center of FlexKL near to the fitting room and the checkout counter. Hallway design structure is based on the model concept with the function for the seating and the display rack clothing. User activity in this space is the shopping, finding treasure, which is shirts and pants, sitting and waiting, and take picture. Next is premium's clothing. Premium's clothing is an area for branded clothing section. This area display of the branded clothes that is still in a good condition, but the price is much cheaper rather than in the boutique retail. So it's affordable clothes for the customer to buy. This is the idea development from the model concept itself turns into the clothing rack display. The technology in space, I put the virtual fashion mirror or virtual fitting room that is capable of detecting the shape of the person's body and then overlap into the virtual clothing. So they can choose any type of clothing they want to see. Next is shoes display area. The shoes display is an area for pre-loved branded shoes that are still in good condition and still wearable. There are many types of shoes and boots for women and men to choose. Okay, the user activity in this space is the shopping, finding treasures, and sightseeing. The idea development from the model itself turned into the wall shoes display, and another one is turned into the rug shoes display. That's the sitting area. The sitting area is the area for waiting. They're located near to the main entrance for easy exit and enter. This area function for waiting for friends, for family or partner shopping while they can playing indoor games or reading newspaper or book. User activity in this space is the sitting, playing, reading, waiting and chatting. The idea development from the model concept, from the shape model turn into the structure of the sitting bench. Next is souvenir shop. Souvenir shop is the area for the souvenir or merchandise goods. Little Chinatown we call it, or souvenir shop is for the customer buy the merchandise for a gift or a memory of visiting this Chinatown. The user activity is shopping and finding treasure and take picture. The idea development is from the model concept itself, turned into the structure attached to the wall, and has become the function as cabinet and merchandise display. Lastly is the dining area. Dining area is the place for the user to dine. It also place for gathering and hang out. We are sell ready-made food as nasi lemak, kuih muih, and some of Chinese food, which is dumpling and cake. The user activities in this space is the hunting, gathering and enjoying food. The space program in this space is people orders food at the counter stall and choose food beverages they want and sit and enjoy the food with friends and family. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening.